Shumaker, Loop & Kendrick is a top 200 law firm in the U.S. We go anywhere from environmental law to contract law to litigation. We have roughly 530 people internally. Our biggest issues with our previous backup were that we had more than one. We had several that caused us to try and guess where our data was at, and that's a problem. We also had problems with our recovery periods taking a long time, and much less even our backup times taking a long time. We had Exchange backups that would run for up to 35 hours, which is longer than a day, so we couldn't keep up, causing a problem. So Cohesity helped us solve those problems. My favorite feature of using Cohesity is the fact that I can schedule backups during the day. Now we can run every couple hours, every 15 minutes, and keep things up to date faster and lose less data. We're excited to use Cohesity for our cloud projects because it'll help us experience the same thing we do on premise. We get our fast recoveries, our fast backups, and will let us do granular restores of individual files or users. Cohesity is pretty easy to deploy. I was able to do that as a team of one across 7 locations. It just works. We've used Cohesity to help us actually do DR. We have used Cohesity to actually seed our backups, and then we take our DR software and target those backups, or actually I guess restores, with our DR software. It helps us do these things faster, and we can do it at scale. We can do this for a quantity of 1 or a quantity of 50. When we first started using Cohesity, we used it as a backup for a NAS. Now we've been able to migrate from that NAS to Cohesity for storage, and then longer term we want to use Cohesity support for SMB as a target for DFS. One problem we used to have was data fragmentation. We'd have multiple systems to recover files from, which took time and of course money to do this. With Cohesity and Helios, we have a single pane of glass that we can see all of our clusters in and pull out files or VMs from that one view. I'd recommend Cohesity for data management because of the fact you can lower your RPO and RTO. It also helps the fact that you can expand it so far. They're bundling in all of these new features that to look for viruses, to look for anomalies in your data, and just the fact that it just works and things just happen like they're supposed to. It's not only a great backup solution, but it's great for dev and test, and it's great for a NAS target. For our firm, it just works the way we want it to.